Once you allow your piece to dry completely for about 4 days, you can go ahead and paint it. Let the paint dry until it's not sticky to touch, and then take your clay sealant from the kit and apply a healthy, even layer over the whole surface. And set that aside until dry. Take out the candle wax pouch and empty the contents into a microwavable vessel. Depending on the height of your pinch pot, you can cut the wooden wick to size. Put the wax in the microwave for 3 minutes. Be careful when you take the wax back out. It'll be really hot. You can give it a stir and put a small bit in the bottom and let that dry. This is to keep our wick secure while we pour in the rest of our wax.